combo. Bangladesh won the toss, elected to bat first. Bangladesh 45.5 overs, 248 runs, all out. Parvez Hossain Imon is the highest scorer, 67 runs, 69 balls. Then Sri Lanka team best bowling spell, Asit Fernando, 9 overs, no maiden, 35 runs, 4 wickets taken. Sri Lanka team 48.5 overs, 232 runs, all out. Sri Lanka team best scorer Zenith Liange, 78 runs, 85 balls. Then Bangladesh team best bowling spell Tanvir Islam, 10 overs, 2 maiden, 39 runs, 5 wickets taken. Bangladesh won by 16 runs in this match. Player of the match Tanvir Islam. Congratulations Bangladesh cricket team.